This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Very happy to be back at Ready Set Van in Trenton, New Jersey. Today, Ben is going to give us a tour of this Ram ProMaster Gramercy, and this thing is really cool inside and out, so join us for the tour.
Hey Patrick, it's awesome to have you back. With me today, I've got one of our ProMaster Gramercy builds. So this is built on a 159 extended chassis, which is great because you get that extra 15 inches in the back. And with that, we can do all kinds of things, including this Limitless Swivel setup that I'll show you in a second. But on the outside here, we've got scene lights all the way around. We got a Fiamma awning up top, and of course a CRL window here, and a step down below. Coming around to the back here, we also have more lights on the back. So we got lights, just for off the back, which is nice. And we got these sweet awning windows in the back doors here. This is one of the first times we put these in, and we really like them quite a bit. On this side of the bed, you'll see this inside, but another awning window here for tons of ventilation in the bed area. And of course, we got a ladder up to our Orion roof rack where we've got 350 watts of solar, Starlink, fan, AC unit, and stuff like that. On the front of the rack up here, we've got a light bar, and all that's hooked up to a control panel inside in the driving area. So really, really handy. And let's head inside. Oh, before we head inside, actually, let me show you, this is our fold down table on the outside of the kitchen here. There are magnets in here that line up with magnets in here. That's what keeps it closed. And we got this lovely little LED, lovely little 3D printed light right here. So it just makes like an awesome, really wonderful place to do things outside. And of course, we've got 110 outlet, 12 volt, USB power and things like that. And then around our entry here, we've got a roll-F bug screen. These are just fantastic. They custom make them for us, so they fit perfectly all the way around, and they're just really, really nice. Of course, we got factory swivels here. With the Ram in particular, the factory swivels are just super nice. This seat right here is the Limitless Swivel with a 2-seat setup. I'll show you more about that in a second, but this thing folds into a bed. It flips around, does all kinds of stuff. We got our table right here, and above me, our overhead. So lots of storage in these overheads, including a microwave in this overhead. We got a light up here, controls for our heater, and another window here. This is an awning window. It's got a built-in bug screen and a blackout shade. Nice setup overall. We've got a curtain right here. It comes across, makes it easy for them to black out. They also have a full set of blackout shades for all their windows, so that makes it super easy. And of course, storage above in the Ram, which is always super nice. We got a little bit of space under here, including this little pop-out drawer, which is a nice little thing. And we got another little drawer down here. So anywhere we can come up with a little bit of storage, we'll pretty much do. And then of course, next to our seat here, we've got 110 outlets, USB A and C, and then also a 12 volt outlet. So pretty much anything you need to plug in over there we've got you covered. We've got some storage back here, including a safe. This seat, let me show you how this works. It's pretty fantastic. So you just take this table off, and then this seat, there's two actions. Basically, you slide it forward, and then there's a lever down here. There we go. To spin it around, and then you can slide it back. And what's great about this seat is, it gets it out of the way when you're, parked. It's awesome because you can just sit here, look out the window. You could have the table back over here, so you could have your drinks or things over here. And it's just nice being able to have this view, being able to sit in such a comfortable seat. Of course, this seat also folds into a bed that connects to the driver's seat. So if you had a guest that wanted to use this bed, it's a pretty nice solution. All right, let's talk about the kitchen. So our kitchen in the Gramercy is huge, which is really nice. So this is almost a 6-foot long kitchen. They chose to go with walnut interior. So this is a walnut butcher block countertop that's absolutely gorgeous. We've got a beautiful black 15 by 15 sink, an induction cooktop, and all our switches and everything over here. We have an extension right here. So that adds, another foot or so onto the end. And then below we have trash and some other items in there. We got this awesome pantry that all of our clients absolutely love. It's just a really nice way to store a lot of things in a narrow space. And lots of drawers, lots and lots of drawers. This drawer is a special drawer. This is designed as a step drawer, so it's rated for several hundred pounds. And you can step on that to get up into bed, which is nice. Of course, it also has storage under the lid, and it locks out, so you just release it to put it back in. We've got a 80-liter fridge right here, which has been a fantastic fridge. And right over here, we have all of our controls. So these are our dimmers for all of our lights, 110 outlet. This is a switch for our automatic electric locks. This is for the inverter or our heater. And of course, we also have charging over here, which is on both sides of the bed. So right next to the bed, just in case you're doing any cooking that's sort of messy, we have this little splash guard right here. You can just remove it. That's what most people do. But we like to leave it here just to remind people that it exists. And then above here, we have a whole set of overheads, which is really nice to be able to have these kind of like little places to put your glasses and things like that over the kitchen. And then over the bed area, you know, you can put all kinds of things. I would probably keep, you know, maybe some t-shirts, underwear, socks, things like that up there, which works out great. We have a Hofton AC unit here. So this is a 110 AC unit. Puts out just an absolute ton of cold. It's a fantastic unit. And to my left, we've got our shower set up here with the bathroom. So it's an acrylic interior. This is sort of a classic Ready Set Van interior. It's just really nice, clean white interior with our shower controls. They decided to go with a separate toilet here. Of course, we could do just about any toilet. And then we have a nice teak floor on the bottom. So it's just a really nice enclosure. And of course, right here, we've got our shower door that retracts and kind of disappears. So it's nice that it just gets completely out of the way. And then behind me here, we've got access to the garage. So this is just a removable panel, which was their choice. So I think they are thinking that they will probably not have this panel in place most of the time, but this will give them a choice. So coming back to the bed area, of course, in the Gramercy, this is a full-size mattress. So this is an 8-inch mattress. We have ventilation built into the channels and built into the bed underneath. We've got this really nice padded headboard right here. So, you know, we can do just about any fabric on there, and that just feels really nice. Of course, we also have these reading lights here, which have one nice feature, which is an additional USB charging outlet there. So you can pop these guys on, you know, if you're in bed and you just want to have like a little dim light off to the side. It's really great for that. Of course, we have another USB outlet on the other side, so plenty of charging on both sides of the bed. And then on this side, of course, we also have more overheads that are great. And then here's that window we looked at on the outside. So this is a big 1100 millimeter wide window. It's just awesome. And of course, it has the same shades and blackout system that's up front. So just a nice big bed. And then right over the bed, we have our Max Fan Deluxe, which will help pull tons of air through here. And then of course, the whole interior is just this very white, clean interior that's sort of like, it's just kind of the, is the Ready Set brand. We just build things in a very particular way. And gives everything like this clean finish, kind of like what you would expect in your home. On the floor, we've got a vinyl floor. So this is, he chose a light gray with the walnut, which I think is a really sharp look. And underneath, we've got insulation. Of course, there's insulation throughout the whole van as well. All right, and here we are in the garage, and so a huge garage, which is sort of a classic thing for Ready Set Van. This is a 60-inch deep garage, and I believe it's about 48, no, it's probably more like 55 inches wide, and about 30 inches tall. We've got our plumbing cabinet on this side, so we've got what I believe is 30 gallons on board. We've got a 4-gallon hot water heater. Everything we need is in there. He's also chosen to go with L-Track all around the garage here, so he's got lots of tie-down points. And then on the outside here, we've got an outdoor shower. So, you know, really nice to be able to rinse off after going for a bike ride or dirty dog or whatever you want to rinse off. And then over here, we've got these nice Van Essential door cards. These are great. It's kind of a new to us, but they have lots of storage built into them. It's a great way to use some space that's otherwise kind of wasted. And then on the inside of those windows that we looked at on the outside, same thing. We've got a shade and a bug screen. On this side is our electrical cabinet. So everything, you know, including the 3,000 watt inverter, 900 ampere hours of battery, all the electrical goodies are in there. And again, L-Track top and bottom, and then more outlets here, and more 12 volt, and more USB, and a master shut off. So up over the back here, we have another set of roll-F screens. You know, these roll-F screens are fantastic. This will zip down, and you know, you can either have this be a screen or you can have it be a blackout. You know, it also works as insulation, so it's pretty great. So awesome. Thank you, Patrick, for coming checking out this van. This Gramercy is like super sweet. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys do too.
Awesome. I appreciate the opportunity to get a tour of this before the customer picks up this week. I love Walnut. I have a lot of Walnut in my house, so I love seeing it inside of vans. And this garage is pretty massive. I mean, what are they planning on putting back here? Bicycles or?
Yeah, I don't know. Most of our clients do tend to put at least a couple bikes inside, whether it's a folding bike or an e-bike or something like that. And I have to say, like, people tend to come back with their garages totally packed with stuff. So I don't know, you can never have too much space.
Yeah. Well, this is an awesome van conversion. I'll put a link in the description so our viewers can click over to your YouTube channel and your website for pricing and details. This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.